In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Microsoft account not signing in. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase multiple different solutions to fix problems attributed to your Microsoft account. This will work if you are trying to sign into a Microsoft account on Windows or any other thing, for example, inside of Minecraft if you are trying to play and so on. So first, start with basic checks. Make sure that your internet connection is properly set up and active. If you are not connected to a strong internet connection, then you will be unlikely to be able to sign into your Microsoft account. This can either be mobile data, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, it doesn't matter. And besides this, you can try restarting your device. Sometimes this is a temporary glitch, and by restarting the device, you can avoid these problems altogether. However, if you notice that you restarted the connection, you can for sure know that it is a strong internet connection, and you restarted your PC, your smartphone, and it still does not work, then you can move on to additional options. First, go over to the settings in Windows if you are trying to sign in here, and make sure that this option is available under Microsoft account. You can go into email and accounts and link the account here first and then make it a Microsoft account afterwards. Another important thing is to always check for updates. Make sure that you have the latest version of Windows, otherwise you might encounter problems while trying to sign in. And for more basic checks, verify your credentials. If you go over to the Microsoft website, they actually have a page dedicated to this. I can't sign into my Microsoft account. And one of the things they recommend at the top is to change password. So if you know your password, but you believe that you are having problems signing in, then just visit this page, click on change password and follow the instructions here. Or use the forgot password option, of course. So this will allow you to redo your password, which consequently resets your account. Besides this, you can use the sign in helper button available on this page. This will do a lot of troubleshooting for you on the background, and it's going to detect any problems that you might be having. It's going to pinpoint the exact problem and tell you what you have to do. So click here and sign into your account, or use your email or username, and they will guide you through the process. I hope I was able to help you with how to fix Microsoft account not signing in. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.